Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're checking out a versatile and budget-friendly cleaning powerhouse, the Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, 45 kilopascal stick vacuum. If you've been searching for a lightweight, all-in-one solution that can handle daily messes, pet hair, and multiple surfaces without breaking the bank, this model might just be what you need. This vacuum is built around a high-efficiency motor that delivers 45 kilopascals of suction power. That's plenty of strength to lift everything from fine dust on hardwood floors to embedded dirt in carpets. It's designed to handle everyday cleaning challenges with ease, whether you're tackling pet fur, crumbs, or seasonal messes. What makes this model really shine is its 6-in-1 design. With multiple attachments, it quickly transforms from a stick vacuum into a handheld cleaner for tight spots, furniture, cars, or stairs. This versatility makes it a true all-rounder for households that need flexibility without juggling multiple machines. Powering the vacuum is a rechargeable battery that offers up to 35 minutes of runtime on a single charge. While it's optimized for shorter, everyday sessions rather than deep cleans of large homes, it's more than enough to get through most apartments, condos, or quick refreshes in bigger spaces. The vacuum's lightweight frame and ergonomic handle make it extremely easy to maneuver, even one-handed. Combined with its LED floor brush, you'll have no trouble spotting hidden dust under beds, couches, or in darker corners. The multi-surface roller brush is designed to prevent tangles, especially important for pet owners dealing with fur and long hair. Another big plus is the advanced filtration system, which captures fine particles and allergens, ensuring the air in your home feels fresher after every clean. The dustbin is easy to empty, and the washable filters keep long-term maintenance simple and affordable. With its combination of power, portability, and flexibility, the Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, 45 kilopascal stick vacuum is a smart choice for anyone who wants reliable cleaning without the hassle of cords or bulk. It's especially great for small to medium homes, pet owners, and those who appreciate lightweight convenience. If this sounds like the right fit for your home, check the link in the description to get yours today. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest reviews here on Gadgetverse.